Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is me cleaning the heck out of my deck. It is neglected and sad and gross and mildewy. Fall hit and we live near the woods, so mildew hit, and we have company this weekend, so we need to get it looking good. I saw on Pinterest that you use some Dawn dish soap and some OxiClean to help remove the mildew, and I'm really pleased with how it turned out. It got it really clean and ready for me to stain, which you can see at the end of the video.
The final beat up keeps going on, and the melody on my escape, vibration on my soul, it sends me to the peak. Without no regret, you got no love. Without no love, you got no regret. Without no regret, you got no love. I'm melody where I belong in this life. The final beat up keeps going on, and the melody on my escape, vibration on my soul, it sends me to the peak. Can we find any life without the music around? There will always be one love, one life. Without no regret, you got no love. Without no love, you got no regret. Without no regret, you got no love. A melody where I belong in this life. A melody where I belong in this life. A melody where I belong in this life.
So my battery died and didn't record me washing everything, but I got it all cleaned up and it looks beautiful and ready to be stained, which I did the next day. And that OxiClean and Dawn really made it look good. I was very happy. And yes, this is after it's done being stained and ready for company to come over and make s'mores in the fire pit and sit around and enjoy the beautiful fall evening. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, because I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thanks for watching.